Let's make a bagel tuna melt sandwich. First, start with your favorite tuna. You can either use packed in oil or packed in water. Up next is the tartar sauce. Mine uses mayonnaise, sweet pickle relish, dried onion, Old Bay seasoning, some dill weed, Dijon mustard, and garlic powder. Stir it good. Pile the tuna salad high on a toasted bagel that is topped with 2 slices of cheddar cheese. Don't be stingy. Sprinkle the top with some shredded Parmesan, and now you're ready to put it in the toaster oven, the oven, air fryer, or microwave to melt the cheese. It's time to eat. For the full recipe, please visit kudoskitchenbyrenee.com.